What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Thabo Mbeki is thrown the ANC and Ramaphosa under the bus by commending General Mkhwanazi. So Thabo Mbeki publicly commended General Mkhwanazi for his courageous stance against corruption and criminal infiltration within the South African state. So Mbeki expressed his support during a recent interview and stated, that at least we have the truth, like at last we have the truth. So this was in response to Mkhwanazi's revelation about the extent of criminal syndicates operating within the justice system. So we all know, Mkhwanazi's allegations, they touched from political interference, collusion between law enforcement, criminal networks. Um, Although there are others, like the National Director of Public Prosecutions, Shamila Patoi, who requested for caution, that these allegations remain unproven. But however, Thabo Mbeki, he has emphasized that the evidence presented so far is compelling enough to warrant serious legal scrutiny. So this is the view from Thabo Mbeki. He has thrown Ramaphosa under the bus. It seems as if they no longer see each other eye to eye, or maybe it's just supporting Kwanazi and just being against, corruption in itself. Because Thabo Mbeki is one of the upright men out there, that you can think of. But anyway, this is what Thabo Mbeki just said. I'll catch you guys on the next one.